Hey guys, what's up YouTube? Welcome to my channel. Hope you all doing all right. So guys, currently I am outside and I visited this Walmart store to buy something. Guess what? So I just bought this iPad. So I bought iPad from the Walmart, as you can see. This is a 9th generation Apple iPad. This is a base iPad model. So it's a 64 GB iPad 9th generation Wi-Fi only model. I really wanted to buy an iPad from the long time, but I haven't buy because of it's expensive. Finally I get a good deal out here at the Walmart. That's why I bought it. It just cost me around $300, and I also had some reward to pay off this little bit payoff. So I get it approximately around like $200. So that's not bad at all. That's why I bought it, because I want to have one iPad for a long time for my home use. That's why I bought it. So now I am going to go home and do an unboxing for you guys, so you get an idea what comes inside the box and show you the content of the box. So just stay with me to see that. Guys, finally I am back home now. So let's do a quick unboxing of this iPad that I just bought from the Walmart. So before that, I just want to show you the configuration information on this box. This is very simple box, nothing fancy or anything. So this is very simple box. This is what it comes inside the box, like an iPad, USB Type-C cable, and to lightning, USB Type-C to lightning cable, USB-C power adapter also. That's really good, because I thought like Apple didn't give anything. So that's good. So let's do a quick unboxing of this iPad. This is the 9th generation. Yeah. And I think in 2022 recently also they launched a new iPad version. It's a 10th generation. I think it has a little bit less bezel at the border, so I opt out that and I bought this one because it's almost similar. Both are the basic tablet, so I wanted to buy a cheaper as much as I can, so that's why I bought this one. So guys, opening an iPad box is very easy. You just need to remove this plastic cover that I already did. Let me open this box. What comes inside the box? Let's see. After opening the box, you just greet with this tablet directly. That's on the top of it. It has some cover on it, plastic cover. I think is nothing fancy or anything. It's just a plastic cover, and there is also a guide that comes with it. I think designed by Apple California, so it designed in California, and I think built in China or somewhere else. I don't know exactly where it built, but this is, and also they comes with the lightning cable like this. That's really nice, and also they provide the charger. That's all. So this is all you get if you buy a regular iPad base model. So not to expect too much. It's just important thing is that you get the best iPad. That's why I bought this one. So hope you guys get an idea about the unboxing of this iPad. My voice is little bit down because I am having a cough and cold, so that's why my voice you might sound a little bit different, but that's all guys. So this is the content of the box. Hope you get an idea. So I also going to do a first boot up of this iPad to just give you an idea about the what you get once you boot up iPad for the first time. So that also I just wanted to show you guys. I'm not going to set up whole thing right now because I don't have that much of time right now. So but you just need to remove this cover like this. Now you have this iPad. I bought it specially the space gray one. I really like this color. Everybody like this color. This is very famous color Apple has, so everybody want to buy this kind of color. I don't know it has a battery or not. Let me start, but to just give you an idea about. Okay, so it's just started. I think it's already has some battery left in it, so that's really good. I don't need to charge right now. So it's greet with this Apple logo when I start. Okay, very nice. Hello, amazing. Okay, so you greet with the language selection, so you just select the language, select the region, United States. I'm living in United States, so that's one. To start the iPad, you greet with this message. So if you are already having a iPhone or a other device like an Apple product or anything, you just need to bring this closer to this device and it will set up easily. So I don't have it, so I am going to do a manual setup for right now. So first of all, you need to select the Wi-Fi. So my Wi-Fi is set up now, so I think that's good. Now I just need to click on next. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. So it comes with the data and privacy policy. Continue. I'm not doing it. I'm going to set up later. This one I'm not going to set up the Touch ID right now, so don't use for now. Create a passcode. I do it later. I don't want to do it right now. Is there any other option to skip? One second, let me check. So I just created my passcode. Okay guys, I just add my Apple iCloud account detail, and this is currently going on, so it may take a few minutes to set up. So it's just get this message now. So terms and condition agree, nothing to worry about. It may take a few minutes to set up your Apple ID. So currently it's doing some setup thing that I need to wait and continue. Location service, enable location service, that's fine for now. It doesn't matter much, so I'm doing it. I'm not setting up pay and all. I do later. I don't do the Siri also later. Set up later in the settings. Screen time, set up later in the screen setting, so it's fine. I just skip this. So share with the Apple is fine. Analytics, I can share. App analytics I can share with the app developer, that's fine. I need a dark, I like a dark theme, so I'm using that dark theme. Actually my son is crying right now. Okay, this is the final setup. I think I just need to click. So finally guys, my iPad is set up fine. This is the home screen. So this is how it look when it first gets started. So currently it's I'm not going to do any update right now because I don't have time. I am going out for now. So hope you guys get an idea how you can set up your own iPad. Very easy process, nothing to worry about. A very nice screen. I really like the screen and all. It's very responsive, very fast, amazing. And this is the first time I bought a iPad. I don't have any much experience right now with it. I just do like you, like regular guys like you. So I'm just try to set up for the first time. I'm also not having any like good understanding of the Apple products. So hope it goes well, and I don't have much to complain about. And I keep you posted if I face any difficulty to do anything on this iPad. I am going to let you know if something goes or something break or anything. So hope you guys got an idea about how you can set up your iPad. Have a nice day. Bye, take care. And if you are interested in watching the more video like this, then just subscribe to my channel for more video and content like this. Bye, take care, thank you.